You're working harder than ever. Revenue's up, but profits are razor thin. The tools you were promised would help, just more tabs. And don't even get started on that dedicated account rep who ghosted you after onboarding. Welcome to the operational burnout zone of 2025. Let's break it down and fix it. Let's start with the myth. If I make more, I'll earn more. In reality, restaurant owners often pull minimum wage after selling out Friday night. My cousin's neighborhood spot has a line out the door, still barely breaks even. Why? Rent, payroll, and 3 RD party delivery fees take it all. Wholesale, retail, and fulfillment-based businesses feel the same. Margins have shrunk. You're moving volume, not making money. According to the National Restaurant Association, average profit margins are just 3.5% in 2025. You bought tools to save time. But now, you're juggling too many. CRM tools, affiliate dashboards, receipt tracking apps, analytics platforms, inventory systems. Each one costs $20 $300/month. And none of them talk to each other. I need a simple receipt tracker that employees can use, but everything is either glitchy or overkill. 41% of SMBs in 2025 say their biggest tech pain is integration. Then there are the vendors. From answering services to digital marketing consultants, too many small business owners get stuck in contracts with people who don't follow through. After 60 days, I was still training them weekly. What's the point of outsourcing? You don't have time to babysit a vendor. But in 2025, reliability is rare. First, profit before growth. Track profitability per product or service line, not just total sales. If something sells well but nets pennies, cut or raise prices. Second, audit and consolidate tools. List all tools you use, drop what's duplicative. Look for platforms with integrations like Zoho, Monday, or Odoo. Third, vendor test periods. Only work with vendors offering short contracts or 30-day exit clauses. Ask for real references, not just testimonials. Fourth, build a dashboard you'll actually use. Even a basic Google Sheet that pulls weekly sales, top products, and cash on hand can clarify your blind spots. Operational friction kills passion. If your business feels harder than it should, it's not your fault. The tools and partnerships should work for you, not the other way around. If you've cut tools, fired vendors, or fixed a low-margin product, drop it in the comments. Your experience might save another owner time and money.